forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama telling you this. Hey, Jack. Wanna better have some respect and manners. See the Asian them and give them honors.
Respect and manners.
Yes,
Nothing wrong with
they
that.
always say, too little simple thing can carry you through the world. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, then love will come to you. Respect and manners, that's all I'm asking from you. Respect and manners, and I know.
Hey everyone, and welcome to the channel datmisehtv. Now recently, Outlaw and I had the pleasure of visiting Sun Valley Plantation in St. Mary. Now Sun Valley Plantation is a working plantation that has been producing tropical fruits for over 250 years. We were able to walk around the plantation. We were able to learn about how the fruits, vegetables, spices and herbs are grown, how they were imported onto the island, some of them. And the best part of all, we were able to sample the fruits as we went along the tour. We just wanted to share a bit of this with you. And guys, if this is something that you're interested in, this is a tour that we offer. To book a tour with us at Mr. Island Tours, please have a look in the description for all the details to make your bookings. We hope you enjoy the video.
Thanks.
Thank you. You can follow me to reception here.
Another prayers. Thanks to life.
Yes.
Grand tree.
Star apple.
Star apple.
I know that.
So that is what we call it in Spanish colonies. Star apple.
Right.
However, if you're from a French colony, no, then call it something else.
Yeah?
When you pick it, what leak out from it? A little white.
Skin,
Yeah, the
skin,
little
yeah.
white. So the French colonists now, them call it breast milk fruit.
Okay.
So that's what the
Breast milk food.
Vietnamese people call it. Breast milk fruit. Captain Bligh was commissioned to go to Tahiti and bring back the breadfruit
Right.
from Tahiti. And long story short, there's a whole bunch of commotion, a whole mutiny on the ship called the Bounty, and enough movie made about it.
Right.
But the thing is though, finally, after much trial, tribulation, and whole heap of danger, years and years after, Captain Bligh finally succeeded in bringing back the breadfruit. The fruit were cooked like bread to feed the slaves. Only thing they could have
Right.
grown was sugar cane. If they tried to, and the slaves were, yes, thank you. No, nothing like that. It was, they couldn't get a slave to eat it. They had white milky sap.
Right.
And
Yes.
anything with the white milky sap,
That's poisonous.
yes.
Yeah.
You never see before. If you see a fruit before and you never see it and white milky sap come out, you don't want me the first to eat
That's
it.
it.
True.
And another thing with the breadfruit now, when it stay too long on the tree, when it hit the ground, that is not the most appetizing thing.
It's another tree.
Breadfruit.
That is indeed they are not. I
Breadfruit
don't want
tree.
to see the pretty white shirt here, so now. But I'm demonstrated today with the tourists.
Yeah.
But you can see it's probably just one last little one
Okay.
here, so
Yeah.
before that's
Oh.
you know what?
Yeah.
So what's
I
this called
might have
again?
like
Nutter.
also
A
just
nutter.
showing it. So you normally have this available November, December, January.
Okay.
But I'm going to run away from you and wash my hands as soon as I demonstrate it. But this lady seems quite fond of her camera.
Yes.
So,
Yes.
Oh,
That is
look
it.
at
so
that.
this is food coloring. So not too far from here, a
Right.
little to the east of us, there's a place called Onoto Bay.
I know not to be.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah.
And it used to be exported for food coloring.
Right.
So we in Jamaica are fond of putting now coconut milk stew. But more commonly it was used in a very big industry, the cheese industry.
Okay.
So they make the cheese orange in color.
Okay.
Okay, then.
No,
okay.
I smell the finger. Let me get this thing off of it.
You smell it? Give me.
Yes, man. There you go. Smell it.
Oh, I love it.
Yes, man. That is
Oh my gosh.
it. You must do that. Do that
Yeah.
too.
Cool, vanilla.
Vanilla.
Gosh, it's amazing, isn't it? Cocoa.
Cocoa. It is young or it is fit? This one is a different
It's
I
species.
don't
red.
want to
in
pick
colour.
that one in.
And I'm not picking it, I'm just asking.
It
That's
just
a-
look like it just turning now. So
Oh.
that is
Okay.
the stage where I would probably pick it at.
Oh.
Right.
So basically now, cocoa chocolate. You're familiar with guinea, of course. Right?
Yeah.
fine.
Yeah.
So a lot of us Jamaicans, just like how we eat guinea, would also suck the jelly from the chocolate
Yes.
and eat it the same way. There are different varieties of chocolate. So this variety now,
The one right there.
that variety over there, when it's young, it starts off green
Okay.
and then change to yellow orange when it's
Yeah.
ripe. This one, when this one is young, see one here, so?
Okay.
It starts off this color, which I believe is maroon, but you can
Oh,
correct
yeah.
me if I'm incorrect.
Yeah.
Maroon in color, and
Yeah.
it changes to orange when it's fully ripe.
Okay.
Is in Jamaica we call the Nesberry
Oh,
tree.
no, yes, I should know.
And
this
when
one, yeah.
fully ripe, it is one of the most delicious fruits.
Yeah, I love
ever.
it.
Assuming, of course, you can get it before the fruit bats. So a lot of Jamaicans, what we do, we scratch it, and this one you notice is green still, so you can't use this one quite yet. This has to stay in the street. If you scratch it and it doesn't turn green, we pick those. You put them in a little wooden drawer in your house, maybe with some rice. I'm not too sure, but I put them in a little wooden drawer with some newspaper and let them ripen, safe from bats.
Yes.
And as long as you hadn't picked them too early, they should turn soft and very sweet. So this tree is remembered in Central America, South America, and at one time, them big people thought that, you know what, this is sticky, very similar to the sap from the rubber tree, so maybe they can vulcanize this too. And they were invested in and see, but they couldn't quite figure out how to vulcanize this one. But Mr. Wrigley from Chicago now, he actually got the liquid from this. He used to come down to the tropics, tap the plant, get the resin, and carry it back and make it into the chewing gum.
Right.
So that's why it's called Wrigley's
Right.
chewing gum.
Wrigley's chewing gum. Okay.
And that's why the baseball stadium, well, one of the baseball stadiums in Chicago is called Wrigley Field Stadium.
Right.
So it's from...
Stains.
Yes.
That's me hand.
Yes.
They get a little bit hard.
Yes.
Put it back on the tree
Yes.
to catch the bird that is eating in his berry.
Okay. So
I
it's like
do that.
you use it
I
as like
do
a
that as a
trap.
little
I
bit.
thought that you could only do it with jackfruit.
No,
Oh,
kneesberry
neither. I
stains.
wasn't sure if it was sticky
Yeah, I
enough
do
to do
that.
the
I
next
So
one.
it's
personally
like
do
a
that.
homemade trap.
Okay.
Yes, use it to catch birds.
Alright.
The stain from an kneesberry.
I've been told that about the jackfruit. I didn't know so you could pull it off with a kneesberry also.
I do that personally. Natural cocoa. Chocolate. Here we go. Here it is. Yeah, changing colors. Getting to the point. There's the other one right there. So this is the cocoa tree. Make chocolate from this thing. Right there. That's a ripe and a green one. Okay. Good to go.
Wild ginger.
This.
Yes, you say you can't eat that. Well, you can, but it just won't taste like
Ginger.
anything.
Like, okay.
But it have a flour where kind of favor that a little bit. Or when you
Oh.
squeeze it, something will look like water come out, but it smell like ginger.
Oh,
Okay.
So all the time when you squeeze it, obviously you don't squeeze the same flour every day. But a lot of gingers and turmeric, this time of year,
Turmeric.
they take a nap.
Okay.
I'm sure all of these blossoms were inspiration. though.
Busy tree.
See that? I can't see what I'm speaking from.
Now, look,
Busy tree.
sometimes we're getting some dry weather, so you see that.
Yes.
We'll get some.
Full of water, you know. Yeah, man.
The Jamaican name for this is called spirit weed. The Puerto Rican name for this is called culantro. The Trinidadian name for this is called shadow benny. And the Vietnamese name for this
Very
is called
strong.
no gai.
Mm.
Some
Okay.
Europeans are actually allergic to it though.
So what is this one in particular? Is this the cilantro or the coriander? Or is it?
It's neither. It just
Okay.
smells
Oh,
remarkably
smell.
similar to it.
Okay. Okay.
So
okay.
if you're, this is what we have in the Caribbean and Mexico and Puerto Rico.
Man, wasn't
Tree in
there?
Jamaica that's filled with oranges and nobody picks it, that's 100% probability of civil orange.
True.
Because civil orange tends to be terribly sour. So unless you're actually planning to do the work and make some lemonade from it or
But
something.
it's
That's the best
nice.
thing in
It's
lemonade.
nice in lemonade.
That's the best thing in sugar and water.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
The civil
It's
orange.
lovely. Yeah.
So
Okay.
Jamaica is famous for the Arabica.
Arabica.
coffee that they grow
Okay.
up in the Blue
Yeah.
Mountains.
Okay then.
And it's best
Arabica.
to grow the Arabica at the higher elevations.
Coffee.
Them blasted insect, them lovely, them baby insect in the coffee. When you, if you grow it too low, You're going to get enough coffee weevil in
Coffee
there.
bean.
Or coffee borer.
Yeah.
They slice this up fine, thinly. Water in the refrigerator overnight, make the stain go away. And then mix it in with the rest of the other vegetables.
Oh.
Okay.
I wouldn't want to eat it by itself, but when you mix it with the rest of the other
Yes.
vegetables,
Maybe have a
it's
better
not too
taste.
strong. Cane is the reason why Jamaica is mostly of African descent. Alright. And the sweet sugar cane juice just come out. So you can see it's not the hardest thing in the world getting the juice out of the sugar cane.
Yeah. Do it again, listen.
Sure, no problem.
Wow.
Simple thing. Simple thing.
And you just catch it.
Yes, but this is not clean right now.
No,
We
no,
get
no.
you some nice
Yeah,
cane
understand,
later.
yeah,
Get you some
understand.
nice cane later. Alright, so pretty much, and it's not garlic, but they don't linger around very long. The flowers fade away quickly, but the leaves, you always have the leaves. So you can cook with them. Obviously, you don't eat them, but they get their aroma in the food.
You want it? I'm sure I'm going to smell the garlic now.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Smell it again, let me see. Let me smell it.
So if you want a closer look at the traveler's palms, you want to
It's amazing, isn't it? Garlic leaf. Smells of garlic. How strong?
The traveler's palm right there. Round here.
Tangerine.
No?
You sure not giant lemon?
Maybe. I support them together.
Yeah, man, this giant lemon. That.
Oh, that's a giant lemon.
The bitter, you know, and the skin hard, you know.
tangerine.
If you cut it, you need Arnold Schwarzenegger or Shaquille. So we don't
It's a
cut
giant
in
lemon.
half, we cut in like 4
Big
and
they
stuff.
are.
The skin thick. That's giant lemon though.
Giant lemon.
Yeah, man. But I think it's signal enough.
Tangerine.
This.
Oh, some bigger one up on the
Tangerine.
tangerine tree, you know. No, the tamarind tree,
Oh, this. Okay.
Yeah. See how big it is?
What's this?
The giant lemon.
Oh,
you
it's
said?
still the giant lemon.
The lime and the lemon,
Yeah.
to keep us scurvy.
Yeah.
Also could carry the tamarind to keep on the scurvy, the vitamin
tamarind.
C. And you know when some people constipated
Mm.
and can't go back,
Yeah.
give them some tamarind juice.
Okay, tamarind. Okay.
I also bring jackfruit from Tahiti.
Okay.
And I'm surprised that he was using Nesberry sap to catch bird rather than jackfruit sap.
Yes, man.
Because this one,
What
teacher
species?
brought it come. The same jackfruit, but the orange like Papa.
Seriously?
Yeah, man.
Never see that one.
I know. I guess probably that one never come from Tahiti,
Bagel palm.
South California. Used for decorative purposes, mainly.
Okay.
This one is bay rum tree.
Bay rum
Bay
tree.
rum tree. So you crush the
Oh, the
leaves
bay rum leaves. Yeah.
and you soak it in rum, and that becomes bay rum.
Mm.
So very useful. If the child have the asthma, the bronchitis, the pneumonia, they can breathe it in like Vicks. Or if you have sore tooth, you
Yes.
can just chew it, and it numbs your face.
Bay rum.
Right. So probably a cousin.
Childhood memories. Straight bottle we used to
Yes.
have.
Oh gosh. Yes.
Yeah, used to love playing
I'm
with
sorry, you had it. The bottle. The alcohol. The
Yeah. Yeah.
them. Yeah, back
That's
in,
what.
yeah.
It's a good painkiller. So if you cook with it, you only use a small amount. If you use too
Yes.
much, might make your mouth go numb. We no drink coffee, tea, mango time. Mango time! Care how nice it may be. Mango time. Mango time! At the height of the mango crop, when the fruits them are ripe and drop, wash your pots, turn them down. Mango time.
See them?
The Peter there, sir, and the female is there, so that's the male,
Two
and the
bird.
white belly one is a female.
You see? Dr. Bird. Yeah, man. That's the female one is there.
And no female come to Peter feeder.
Yeah.
I think him sort of,
Yalis.
I wouldn't go that far, but him not as wicked to them as the other one.
Understandable.
But they tend to be very territorial. But I guess
See
Peter
the orange,
sort
you
of,
know? Atonic orange.
the same one, just a half orange, half tangerine,
Okay.
alternate.
Okay.
These people, this garlic leaf smells just, well, it's garlic leaf. It smells like garlic, but I can't stop smelling it. Look, garlic leaf. Smells good.
When the pineapple was young, there
Yeah.
are many purple flowers on it. So each purple flower represents just one individual berry.
Okay.
And so, like in combination, they just act as
Together,
one
right.
big fruit. This is a female nutmeg tree.
Here.
No, more than
here?
2, because you don't want to make the blood flow properly. But the thing is though,
At the end of the tour, we were able to sample some of the breadfruit cooked 3 different ways. There you can see we had some ripe fried plantain as well,
one time,
and
you know
the
that-
most delicious sorrel
That is
juice
it.
too. We were also giving a plate of variety of fruits. So here we had star apple, coconut, apple, OTT apple, pine,
This is nice.
June
So
plum,
that's the star
which was
apple.
delicious also.
Which one's star apple? This
This,
one.
yeah,
You got coconut.
coconut. This is the black apple, the African
Oh yeah, the
apple.
OTT apple.
Yeah,
Pine,
pine,
sugar cane.
sugar cane,
What's that, melon? What is
guava.
it? Guava. Okay, guava. And what's that, jackfruit? That's something, isn't
I
it?
should tell you. June plum,
The June plum. Okay.
ripe June plum.
Nice.